Most people don't think twice about a can on a shelf, but behind it is a highly coordinated manufacturing process happening right here in Roanoke County. Trivium Packaging produces metal cans for everyday products, from vegetables and soups to pet food, serving customers across North America. What seems like a simple product is the result of precision engineering, advanced manufacturing, and skilled employees working together every day. Metal packaging protects products, preserves quality, and performs reliably throughout shipping and storage. It's also one of the world's most sustainable packaging materials. You can recycle metal indefinitely, and approximately 75% of all metal ever produced is still in use today. Through industry insight tours, local educators gain firsthand knowledge of companies like Trivium so they can connect students with meaningful career opportunities available right here in the Roanoke Valley.
One of the biggest values that I got is definitely that I can use this in my classroom, especially as a culinary teacher. This is something that I would want to share with my students, that there is storing just happening here in the Roanoke Valley. So I have students that I know they want to take the path of being in an industry position, especially after graduation. They're not really interested in going into colleges. They're looking more into career paths. So I think just knowing that there could be potential careers within the canning industry, that would be really encouraging to share with my students. We don't always have to go the college route, and this is one of the ways that we're able to do that.
At Trivium Packaging's Roanoke facility, advanced manufacturing combines durable materials, innovative processes, and skilled employees to produce packaging used by companies around the world.